It's June and it is Marionberry harvesting season in Oregon. And if you're heading out to the U-Pick or out to your yard, I just wanted to show you how I pick Marionberries so you know which ones are ripe. So first off is they're going to be dark black. They won't have any of that red in them. Let me see if I can find one that's a little red. I mean, you can see some of these here have red still. They're also going to be really plump looking. So here's a good plump looking few. And when they come off, they're going to be a little squishy, and they'll come off in your hand just by pushing it back, just by twisting. So let me grab one that is not ready. So for instance, this one's not ready. And you can see here as I twist, it's not coming off. Just kind of lever it off. Let's try another one. This one looks good. Comes right off. And you'll kind of get that feel of the squish there. There's just a little bit of squish, and of course the red ones before they're ripe, they're really hard. So squishy, black, and it should come right off in your hands. And if it doesn't come off, just go ahead and move on to the next one. So Marionberries are the best blackberry. However, they are blackberries and they have a lot of thorns. They're also really squishy, so they're not able to be shipped outside of Oregon. So just be sure you bring some containers. You don't want to put too many inside one container. You don't want a 5-gallon bucket or they'll all get squished. So if you're heading out to the U-Pick, bring some small containers and just watch out. You really can't wear gloves while you're picking these because you won't be able to feel that squish. Good luck out there.